Hello student, welcome you all. Now again our today's topic is isomerism in coordination compounds. We know that coordination compound shows two types of isomerism, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. So what is stereoisomerism? So stereoisomerism means that is a different spatial arrangement of the ligand surrounding the central metal, and there are two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Now in this video we are going to discuss the structural isomerism. So what is structural isomerism? Which having the same molecular formula but different structure. So coordination compound shows four types of structural isomerism, that is ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism and hydrate isomerism. So let us discuss one by one. So first is ionization isomerism. Its name itself suggests that ionization, that means on ionization it gives different ion in a solution. So they having the same molecular formula but different ions in solution. So let us take an example of a complex CONH3/5SO4 Br. On ionization it gives CONH3/5SO4 positive charge on this complex and Br minus. This is a red violet in color. And second one is on ionization CONH3/5Br and SO4 is a counter ion. On ionization it gives CONH3/5Br 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So here on ionization it gives Br minus and here SO4 2 minus. Here one positive charge on this complex, here two positive charge. So it gives different ion in a solution. Such isomerism is called as a ionization isomerism. Their molecular formula is same, but on ionization it gives different ion in a solution. Now second one is linkage isomerism. So linkage isomerism means molecular formula again same, but the attachment of the ligand to the central metal is through different atom. So here in this example CONH3/5NO2Cl2, we know that NO2 is an ambidentate ligand. What is meant by ambidentate ligand? The ligand which having two or more donor atom, but it attached to the central metal through one donor atom. So here the attachment group is nitrogen, that is nitrogen donate the electron pair to the cobalt. So here this is called as a nitrito N. And in this complex again the NO2 group is there, but it is ONO, that means it is called as a nitrito O. That means the NO2 group attached to the cobalt through oxygen. The attachment group is oxygen. That means their molecular formula is same, that means number of atoms are same, but difference is that here it is attached through nitrogen and here it is attached to the oxygen. So such a isomerism in which molecular formula is same but the ligand attached to the central metal to different atom, it is called as a linkage isomerism. Now next one is coordination isomerism. So in coordination isomerism there is again the exchange of ligand between the cationic and anionic species to the different metal present in the complex. So here in this complex CONH3/6 and CrCN/6. So here cobalt coordinate with the NH3 ligand, so here chromium coordinate with the Cn ligand. In second complex here there is an interchange, the chromium coordinate with the NH3 and here cobalt coordinate with the Cn. That means just a exchange of ligand between the cationic and anionic species. Such isomerism is called as a coordination isomerism. So generally question in board and we can say CT or NEET examinations on the coordination isomerism, identify the given isomerism in the given coordination compound. So next is a hydrate isomerism. Again this is a structural isomerism, so that's why the molecular formula is same. So here what is the molecular formula? Let us take an example CrCl3 6H2O and it shows 3 hydrates isomerism. So these are the 3 hydrates isomerism. So here what is hydrate isomerism? In hydrate isomerism there is an exchange of water molecules between inside and outside the coordination sphere. So in first example all the aqua molecules, all the water molecules are in coordination sphere and 3 chlorine as a counter ion. So in second example 5 aqua molecules are in coordination sphere and 1 is outside the coordination sphere. In third one 4 aqua molecules are in coordination sphere and 2 are outside the sphere. But here in first 3 Cl are there, in second one only 2 Cl and third one 1 Cl. Okay, so here what about just the exchange of water molecule inside and outside of the coordination sphere, but their molecular formula is same. What is the molecular formula? So this is the molecular formula. But water molecules are different. Such isomerism is called as a hydrate isomerism. So this is all about structural isomerism. In next video we will discuss about this stereoisomerism, that is geometrical and optical isomerism. So I hope this information is useful for you, and if you like it, then like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. So thank you.